I see him. He's hiding from you because you're being a bully. Why you want to bully the dog? Woof. I know. He says woof. He's hiding down there. Look at him. Poor Odie. You got to be nice, okay? What's doggy say? What's the doggy say? Yeah, woof. That's right. You just want him to be your friend, huh? I know, that's his tail. When you pull it, it makes his heart sad. Oh, he's going to get your finger. No, be nice. Be gentle. I know, you think you speak dog. You just want to hang out with him, huh?
Papa.
I know, puppy, I know. But when you grab him by the tail and you pull hard, it scares him and then he hides under the bed. You don't mean to be a bully, do you? Woof, yeah. Woof. Okay, let him be, honey. Leo. Give puppy some space, honey. You think that's funny? You're not scared, are you? You're not intimidated by puppy? You're going to read to him. Sweet boy. What?
Mama.
Yeah, Mama. Oh, now you're going to get me?
Mama.
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 Hi, yes, Mama. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, you've got me. I've been attacked. I've been attacked. Okay. Oh, careful. Okay, see? This is why people run from you. That's why Odie's under the bed. I don't think Mama can fit, though. No. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay, little tyrant. Okay, little tyrant. Oh, you're climbing off? Okay. Thank you.